Hi, I'm Emma, and welcome to the Dish POS app. In this tutorial, we show you how to manage tables in the block view. Tables will change their color when they are open longer than the predefined time. The clock icon indicates the time that a table has not received a new order. If the table has multiple courses, you can see which course the table is in. This is represented by the cloche icon. Note, the first number represents the current course, and the second number represents the total number of courses. The receipt icon indicates how many orders are active. Once you selected a table, you can overlook the latest order. To get back to the overview of the tables, tap on the corresponding arrow. Tap and hold on a table to display the options. A pop-up window with multiple options will appear. Here you can display an overview of the orders, open a new order, process the payment, move an order, merge orders, or reprint an order. Tap and hold on a table without an order to display the corresponding options. A window will pop up. Here you can open a new order or reprint an order. To get an overview of all open orders, tap on Open Orders. That's it! You completed the tutorial and now know how to manage tables in the block view.